In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe payments to a Replit app. First, sign in to your Replit account and open the project where you want to accept payments. Once your workspace is ready, open the Agent panel from the right sidebar. Next, paste this prompt into Replit Agent and send it. Wait while the agent generates the complete Stripe payment integration automatically. After that, review the generated files and accept the suggested changes. Add your Stripe publishable key and Stripe secret key to the secret section of your Replit project so your application can connect securely to Stripe. Now, click Run to launch your application. Test the payment flow using Stripe's test mode and confirm that customers can successfully complete a checkout without any errors. Finally, if everything is working correctly, deploy your application using Replit's built-in deployment tools and switch to your live Stripe keys when you're ready to accept real payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Stripe payments to a Replit app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.